Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to use mark symbol in Google search. Why would you want to know how to use mark symbol in Google search? Well, maybe you are new to Google search. So today I am going to show you how to use mark symbol in Google search. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, let's press mark, then study less, study smart. Okay, when you search with this mark, it will show you any related paragraph title. Any paragraph title will be shown like this. Paragraph title, study less, study smart. Any words between the data mark will search anything related the paragraph titles. That easy guys. There you go. If you want to know how to use mark symbol in Google search, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.